Slap pound salute. Fuck what they say. Greg the Ease, professor for this lecture. Hammerhead, nigga, you could call me Hector. Radio psychiatrist, now go on Dr. Frazier. I ain't from Portland, but I'm an all-time blazer. Paper chaser, niggas waste paper like a shredder. If she wanna suck the team, I have no choice but to let her. Bitch, I'm Roddy Piper in that Piper pit. Finish your move, minus get my blood lit. I'm here to defeat, yeah, aim to conquer. Street fighter flow. Yeah, call me Blanca. I call you mother truckers, you niggas little like Tonka. Sweet like Willy Wonka. I put this on the prompt, look, don't mind me, I observe experiments. Keep your shit in order, I be talking sequence. Real coming from the present, and everybody seeing, even embezzling. Can you repeat that again? Can you repeat that again? Reactions, dividend and fraction. Break up whole numbers, or flip it like a reciprocal. Can you pay attention to the numero? It's not even subliminal. Kill it like a terminal. I'm too cold to thermo. That's the word though. I'm a jackass Steve-O. Make shirts asking can you read though. Get that shit out of here like a veto. I want blood, call me mosquito. Shoot the free throw, kiss of death, Jay the Kid. Young spoiled nigga, I'm about to throw a fit. Visibly anxious but do not fret. No musical instrument, keys on the guitar. Play a tune all the way to fucking Mars. My brother is a Leo lion and I'm Scar. Kill it, call it Mufasa. Time is money, never on the clock. Stop, I make a ass drop. Give me top, cherry pop. Lick my Disney's lollipop. I'm goofy, but don't laugh at me. Gradually, I'm dead wrong, catastrophe. I got my possession at an apostrophe before the S. After that, put another S for Sister Sasha, just to die a legend. Get them hoes, no dividend. What the mill do? Set a trend, what all the niggas doing? Waving in, damn AC, bitch, I'm a mess. I ain't Usher, but I confess. All them lies I can't digest. If you call your bros, babe, then ask incest. What the fuck?
I know I'm not a perfect person, but I got away with verses that currently got a lot of rappers shaking and nervous. Blaze up the blunt and let the beat that proceeds to get murdered. Verses you ain't heard of, shake the current and murdering virgins. Don't blame me, it's the weed that puts slurs in the words you hear in the verses. I be laying, the fuck is you saying? They better recognize greatness as if they knew me. They swear I'm recycling, I'm just ripping through this loosely. So let me enlighten you lame niggas that be too geek. Where I'm from, niggas shoot at your set just like a movie. I get cheese and do it with ease. Nigga please, I got a trick up my sleeve. Hey, roll the window down, these bitches can't breathe. And where I'm from, they tell the tool in they sleeve. Cause of the greed that they see on the TV, they wanna see me. In reality, a lot of lame niggas wanna be me. They bitch camped out at my crib, so catch a TP. Probably catch me flossing on the TV. Flipping the bird, saying words that's so absurd. Sick with the verbs, and nigga, have you heard? A hard dick in your earlobe, the fuck you here for? SPS, it's our year, ho. Yeah. SPS, nigga.
This is what we do.
You hatin', suck a dick.
Fuck what they say all day. Get the ashtray. I'm out.
Dead wrong. Fire.